it will start to get better because it does look like a more active weather pattern is going to be returning. It has to,
right? Spring in East Texas, it just has to.
Yeah, it has to at some point.
Yeah.
And again, sometimes it's a lot in a very little amount of time. So hopefully that doesn't happen because we need like a weekly rain chance here over the next 8 weeks. So wildfire danger, it is high for tomorrow and Wednesday. And we'll talk about why here in just a second. But this isn't just for one section of East Texas. Anywhere where there's mismanagement of fire, if it's a cigarette butt, if it's chains dragging on the road, things are likely to catch fire fairly quickly. So folks, got to do yourself a favor. Please be careful with this stuff because our firefighters, they're advocating for it too with how dry it is and how dry it's going to be. Now, it's not windy right now. Relative humidity is low, so not being windy, that's a good sign for us. Unfortunately, those winds are forecasted to pick up. Here's what happens tomorrow morning. Winds are a bit stronger than what we're seeing right now, but still tolerable. They'll be out of the south, 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts, but watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, these things will increase. We'll see 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts here or there. So wind speeds will increase as the day progresses, and that is forecasted to continue throughout your Tuesday and then again on Wednesday. Let's talk about what's happening weather-wise and part of the reason we're dry. We do have a ridge of high pressure that continues to move from north to south, and you can see we're seeing the sinking air. There's no signs of rain across East Texas, which is typically what we see, but it's a much different story. Now, I'm happy we're not seeing a nor'easter here in East Texas, A, because that would be extremely unusual for it to happen, and B, they've had about 1 to 2 feet of snow here in the northeast. So this is what is called a nor'easter. Don't worry, I checked my spelling. It's an area of low pressure that's just off the coast, and it strengthens because of the temperature gradient, or the difference between the temperature of the surface of the water and what we are seeing over land. It's really tapped into a lot of that energy, and it's given Maine and other areas of New England some snow, and a lot of them enjoying it, a lot of them not enjoying it, especially the people that have been unable to get home from some of the airports out there. Still waiting for a high temperature today, but we got to 57 yesterday. We'll be warmer with today's recorded high temperatures than where we were yesterday in the lower 60s. We're back above normal tomorrow, and we'll be in the 70s and 80s for the next 7 days. And the warmer than average temperatures, unfortunately, folks, that is going to continue over at least the next 6 to 10 days. But as I mentioned to Casey, I do think things will change. It is just a matter of when. Is it 8 days from now? Is it 10 days from now? Is it 14 days away from now? But we're just not going to see that result in a lot of rainfall over the next 7 days. And we really need to see the rain. Lots of colors on the drought monitor. So something needs to change, and something needs to change quickly. It's another chilly night tonight. Lows will fall into the lower 30s. High temperatures back into the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. And as we look at the next 7 days, we see plenty of sunshine through the weekend. Could see some 80s mixed in as well during the afternoon hours. So it's going to be feeling like spring, and I'm sure we're going to see more trees, more bushes starting to bloom and all that with what I have in the forecast over the next 7 days. Casey.
All right, Carson.